Amelia. Amelia. Family day at the beach. We're at Half Moon Bay, and it's beautiful out here. It truly is beautiful. The waves, look at the waves. Y'all see that? I'm gonna get baby's toys set up. First, I'm gonna get her bubblers going, her little bubble guns. I'm not sure how the bubble gun's gonna work, especially since it's so windy. Just fly back. Should we even do it? Try it. I'm gonna save it for home then. She's just chilling on mama. All big ones?
Yeah, look. I found one.
Kelly's favorite chips.
These are so good.
They're like kettle chips. Kettle chips? Huh? Kettle chips? Yeah, kettle corn chips. That's what they are. This is what we need, y'all. Away from the hustle and bustle of city life, but you know, sitting alongside the beach, drinking a nice beverage. Cheers, y'all. Cheers, baby. Oh, that's good. That's delicious. Look how pretty she looks. Mama and baby down there. It's all fish in there, baby. Look at her face.
Just a destroyer.
You destroyed my castle. Destroyed my tower, baby. Whoa! There's freaking sand everywhere. Alright, make another tower. You don't destroy my tower this time, okay? Let's make another tower. Make another tower. Let's destroy this one. Boom. See? Mama wanna play too? Ask mommy if she wanna play. Mama? Can you see a turtle? Alright, over here.
Wow, did you do that? Wow.
Now check it out, Amelia. Amelia, make a flat surface, okay? And look, you ready? 1, 2.
Turtle!
Turtle! Here. She's gonna destroy my tower again. Destroy the tower, like boom, boom, boom.
Whoa!
Now go back to the water, baby.
Mama?
She just threw that. She's like, that belongs in there.
Mama?
Okay.
Go.
Turtle.
It's flying out of her hands,
Turtle.
actually. Let's see how Daddy did. Oh, he threw a shovel. Oh, fuck it. Okay. Yeah. That was scary. That was scary. Oh.
Daddy,
Get you all
here's
sandy.
my stitches.
It's good. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you want to record? Okay.
Amelia, taking over.
Oh.
Just taking over the vlog.
What you gonna say? Say hello.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Hey.
No, she's
Okay,
taking.
okay,
She's
okay.
recording.
Okay, sorry.
What you gonna say? Cause I gave Daddy a kiss, huh? I love you. Baby.
Oh. Here, record. You can record. Take over, Amelia.
I kiss Daddy again.
Take over, Amelia.
You kiss Daddy.
Amelia.
Funny girl. Pika. Pika. Where did Daddy go? Where'd Daddy go? Pika.
Ah.
Funny girl. Ah.
Come here. Come, Daddy. Come, Daddy. Oh, my baby girl. Ah. Getting so big on Daddy. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you. Oh, this is my husband.
You wanna put your socks on now? No? Shake the sand off.
Come on, Amelia.
Take it off. Take it off.
It's time to go, baby.
Take it off. Take it off. Yippee. I don't want to stand the sand's gonna hit it.
Come on, baby. Come on, my crazy child. Oh, shoot. Oh, hold on. No fall. Whoa, look at mommy. Mommy look epic.
Yeah.
What's mommy doing? Uh-oh, Amelia. Uh-oh, can I do it? Can mommy do it?
Next time when I get to go a little earlier, should just play right here.
Yeah. I'll wait until it gets a little bit hotter. Thanks for coming along on our random family adventures. Smash that like button. Yeah, I'm walking backwards. Comment where we should go next, and of course subscribe and ring that bell so you could stay tuned. And I'm out of breath. I can't even talk right now. Woo, I'm really getting heavy. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Appreciate it, y'all. Love y'all. Say bye. They want us to go 25 miles per hour on this road though. Chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang. Oh my gosh.
That's not Ace Ventura, that's
That is the Ace Ventura.
Chitty Chitty Bang Bang?
No, when he's in the car like this.
Oh yeah.
Oh shoot. Dang.
Big ol' pop off.
Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. And we're in a Sequoia. Oh, now I feel like in that Tesla right there. Alright, Kelly says she knows a magic trick. I'll find out what the hell she's doing. Looks ridiculous already.
Okay, you see the egg, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Egg's gonna disappear.
Okay.
What's wrong with it?
Okay. What do you mean what's wrong with it?
It's gonna disappear and there's gonna be a penny on the bottom.
Ain't no penny.
Why? You want to bet? There is gonna be a penny on the bottom.
Alright, go.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Mel, you ready for this? You ready for this? I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. You think it's gonna be corny? But it's not gonna be corny at all.
You hella corny right now. Alright. Put the eggs in your hand.
I know,
bro.
but look.
The eggs in your hand.
I know, but
I thought
look.
the eggs will disappear.
This is the fish disappear. There's a penny on the bottom. I bet you. I learned this from work. Look. Don't you see it? Oh, you sick. Oh my god. In my hair though. There we go. Bye, bye.